You might not know it, but my wife and I, we just opened up our own moving company in Roanoke, Virginia. It's called Big Lake Moving. And I was just out on a big job. We had a couple new guys in the mix. And one of the things that I've learned in the business is when you bring new people on, you constantly are rehiring people that work for you. And what I mean by that is when I'm working with them, whether it's training at the shop or I'm going out on a job, spot checking, I'm reaffirming the good positive stuff about working at our company. I'm asking about them. I'm asking about their hobbies. I'm talking about the vision. I'm telling them, hey, this is how busy we are the rest of this month. And I'm getting them amped up and I'm rehiring them, because just because they say yes and you say yes when you first meet them doesn't mean they're hired forever. I'm constantly buying, recommitting that person and getting the buy-in, so that way they're really excited about working for our company. So remember that you're constantly rehiring your team and recommitting them to the mission.